Hello and welcome back to Riddle. In this step we are going to be adding a non-right-wrong question. So our question is this one here, asking your audience whether they prefer watching films in a movie theatre or at home in a home cinema. And this is a chance for you to really segment your audience, get to know them through a question like this, and then target the different groups accordingly with a result page with email automation that is personalized for that group of people. So let's go into the creator to make that. We need a single select question again, because you're asking your audience, okay, what do you prefer, this or this? And they can only choose one thing. And I want to add images, but as you can see here, it's not an image at the top above the question here, but as an answer option itself. So the way you do that is scroll down to answer content and click on the little media icon on to the left of the answer field. And I'm going to use my media again from my movie quiz folder, one there and one in the second answer option. Now, as you can see here, we've got a green tick, and that's what we want to disable now, because this isn't a right-wrong question. Both are correct, so to speak. It's just your audience's opinion. It's a bit like a poll question within a quiz. So, in your options, on the right here, everything is fine, but we want to disable right-wrong question, and then you can see that one or those points go away here, and also you can then see that in the preview here, if I click on one, then it doesn't say right or wrong. All you can see is how many people have voted for that, and other statistics like what percentage that is of everyone who voted. You can switch that off if you want, but let's do that later. For now, I would like to do one more thing, which is change the formatting here, because in our original, the pictures are next to each other, which is what I would prefer here. So also in the options, scroll down to style, and next to layout, select row rather than stack. And let's preview that again. Excellent, that's what we want. So we've got the two pictures next to each other. I can select something and there we are. Okay, in our next video, we'll look at adding a form block. But for now, play around with that, our non-right-wrong single select question. If you have any questions, feel free to write to us at academy@riddle.com, and I'll see you in the next video.